Yeah, good morning. What's up, guys? So, I have a trading idea here on USDJPY. As you can see, USDJPY. So, I'm not about to enter the trade just yet, but I just wanted to make this quick short video to explain the idea. Okay, it's like just a potential trade setup. So, first of all, here on the daily time frame, if I'm focusing this stuff right. Here on the daily time frame, we can see that previously USDJPY has been moving downwards. We had this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And we can see clearly that it has been connected by this trend line right here. So all the lower highs were connected with trend lines. But then price now broke above this lower high. So we've had this break of structure right here. If I zoom in more, you can see that we have this break of structure right here on USDJPY. Okay, this large movement that occurred during NFP last week broke structure, and then it broke above this lower high and then created a higher high, and then now created here, it now created a higher low. This is the higher low right at this point. Now we also have a previous level of support and resistance here. We have this level of support here, have this level of support, and then we have this level of support acted as resistance here. Now price has created another higher high. This is where we now move into the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour you can see that this is the move that broke structure, created a higher high. Now this is the higher low, and then this is the higher high, another higher high that has been created. So basically what I'm waiting for, if I zoom in more, I am waiting for price to move into this zone. If price comes into this zone, it has already started the retracement. That's why I've set an alert right there. So if price comes into this zone, then I'll now be looking for bullish indications to go long. So that's it. Yo, what's up, guys? So this is an update on USDJPY, and hear ye, you can see that price has hit my take profit. Okay, so if you watched my previous clip, okay, I literally analyzed USDJPY at this level. I had an alert at this level because I told you that according to my analysis, price had broken from this downward structure to an upward structure. Okay, we had a break of structure here after this low, higher high, higher low, and then another higher high, and then I was waiting for price to retest this level to keep going upwards. So as you can see, this was a very quick movement because of the CPI. When the CPI numbers were dropped, it was favorable for the dollar. Okay, obviously USDJPY. So it favored USDJPY, and before it was dropped, I already set my limit order at this area. Okay, and then price hit a profit. So that's literally how I trade. Out of all the setups I had, I trade all these setups, all these pairs. Sorry, I trade all these pairs, literally all these pairs. But today, I was looking at only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I only traded one, which was USDJPY. So that's literally how I do it. What did I do? I identified the trend, okay, and then I identified my areas of support and resistance, and then I waited for my entry signal, and then I took the trade. I calculated my risk, I took the trade. Okay, so this was a pretty good setup for about 1 to 2.6. I actually took my profit at 1 to 2.5 hour. That's how I did it. So peace, guys. You can see right there. Wait till the focuses starts. 1 to 2.5 hour. So that's 2.5. So peace, guys.